Sunday morning, rain is falling. Still some covers share some skin. Clouds are shrouded us in moments unforgettable. You twist to fit the mold that I am in. But things just get so crazy, living life gets hard to do. And I gladly hit the road, get up and go if I knew that someday it would lead me back to you. That someday it would lead me back to you. That maybe all I need. Darkness, she is all I see. So come and rest your bones with me. Driving slow on Sunday morning, and I never wanna leave. Your fingers tracing every outline. You paint a picture